Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today fix a problem for the Windows update failed and you will see that this error notification for kb5036893. This is a problem that step by step follow it to solve this problem. Okay, then first you will step one friends to you will check this error for not fix it to you will come to the next step. Okay, you go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Click to the search there. Troubleshoot settings. You will click to open. Click to the other troubleshooters. Click to the Windows update. You will click to run. Then wait for the few seconds to completed this detected the problems for the Windows update. Any problem issues showing to this is the detected the problems. Okay. Then wait a few minutes, a few seconds. Get check the Windows update issues. This is the problem. Okay, this problem is yes. You will close the troubleshoot. Okay, you will go to the second step for see get open the CMD. This provide this command for this video link video description. Then copy to search the CMD. Then click to the run as administrator. Click to you will control plus V. Click to enter. The operation is successful. Okay. Then third step for run as admin. Run as update the run as Windows update the services. Okay. Select to search the services. Get open to scroll down for the Windows update. Then select to right click to properties. Which is the startup type for automatic. Services status for already is running. You will click to change to click to apply. Click to OK. Then finally you will click to the Windows icon. Get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is for solve it. After get open to search the Windows update settings, you will click to select to open. You will click to read some update to all error updates always is automatically downloading. Okay. Then anyone want to pin the comment, then thank you for watching.